Climate change and global warming are urgent and interconnected challenges that are fundamentally reshaping our planet's environment. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, in the atmosphere. This warming has far-reaching consequences, leading to shifts in weather patterns, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and more frequent and severe heat waves, storms, and natural disasters. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and industrial processes, have significantly contributed to the increased concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, creating a greenhouse effect that warms the planet. The resulting climate change has profound impacts on ecosystems, biodiversity, water resources, and human societies. The consequences of climate change are already evident, with rising global temperatures leading to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, causing sea levels to rise. This phenomenon threatens coastal communities, leading to increased flooding, erosion, and the potential displacement of millions of people. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns also impact agriculture, food security, and water availability, potentially leading to crop failures and water scarcity. Furthermore, climate change exacerbates the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Heat waves become more common, endangering human health and straining energy systems. Hurricanes and typhoons intensify, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. Prolonged droughts and wildfires disrupt ecosystems and pose threats to both human and animal populations. Addressing climate change requires global cooperation and concerted efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, and promote sustainable land use practices. International agreements, like the Paris Agreement, aim to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and pursue efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Mitigating the impacts of climate change also involves adaptation strategies to minimize its effects on vulnerable communities and ecosystems. This includes developing resilient infrastructure, implementing efficient water management systems, and promoting the conservation of biodiversity. Education, awareness, and advocacy play pivotal roles in driving action to combat climate change. Governments, industries, and individuals all have a responsibility to take meaningful steps to reduce carbon emissions, conserve resources, and promote sustainable lifestyles. By embracing cleaner energy technologies, investing in research, and prioritizing the protection of our planet's natural resources, we can collectively work toward a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come. Climate change demands urgent action, and it is a defining issue of our time that requires global unity and commitment to ensure a habitable and thriving planet for present and future generations.